Hello, my friends. Welcome back. This is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. It's an 8x8 square canvas, and we're going to be doing a side bloom today. These are my colors. I'm going to be using nickel azo gold, and it has a little bit of TLP Zues. This is a custom red-orange. I have Pebeo gold. This is a custom green and Amsterdam brilliant green. And these two will be for the stem. All right, let's go. Gliddens Essential is my paint I will be using. All right. All right. I'm going to start off with our nickel azo gold. Now I'm going to make this a little smaller because it's a smaller canvas. And our beautiful custom color. And our Pebeo gold. All right, now for our stem, we'll use this custom green. And Amsterdam's brilliant green, just a tiny bit. Well, that looked like it was thick and looked like it was something in there. Let's see. Yep, I think so. All right. There was something in that. That's okay. I'm making the stem already. All right. I see a few bubbles. How is everyone today? I hope you're well. I hope you're having some fun too. This is fun for me. Okay, black oxide from Amsterdam using Australian Floetrol. Cell activator. All right, and I'm using the world's smallest blower. Okay. I'm gonna give that a little bit for that paint to come back up. Then I can move it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to do a little using my skewer. There we go. Wanted it just a little bit thinner. And let's do it here. Let me get a napkin. I always want to wipe my stick afterwards. a little too much, bringing it in too close. That's better. And this one too, let me work on that. There, that's a little better. I'd like this to be a little taller, but actually when I spit it out, let me see. There. This is, using this is nice because you have to kind of blow hard in order to make it move, and so it's going to be gradual. Okay, I like that. Are we ready to spin it out? Let me spread out some paint. All right. I'm going to move it a little bit and move my camera. Get my paints out of the way so they don't get paint all over them. All right. Let's spin it. I think this is going to be pretty. Yes, it is. But it's kind of coming this way, so I'm going to move it that way. Let me make sure I spread this out nicely. That's a big one right there. Okay, let's see. That's pretty. I like the color combination. I need to work on my, like sometimes my sides go too far out, even though this is square. I need to make, I think maybe my side's a little smaller, but this is very pretty. I'm going to get you down for a close-up. I hope you like this. I wish you God's blessing. Now, you know, I was thinking about something from one of yesterday's videos. I was kind of talking about enduring a little bit. Sometimes we just have to endure. And you know what? This morning when I was praying, and I go to my car and I go out, I get my Diet Coke and I pray and I read. And I was saying there's a difference between enduring and trusting. Trusting God. If I'm going to trust God, instead of endure hard circumstances, that means I'm kind of trusting that in his love and in his plan for my life. And so I think instead of thinking like, you know, I'm going to practice enduring hardship. I'm just going to practice trusting God and his love for me. Easy to say, not so, it takes a lifetime to learn. Let's put it that way. Okay, my friends, sorry for the little sermon, but that's me. If you would like to hear more and see more of my paintings, then you can subscribe and give this a thumbs up. If not, that's fine too. All right. God bless you.